How's it going, guys? Matt here from Moss Racing. So what we have here, well, in the background you see NFL Red Zone, but besides that, what we have here is one of two of the Ross Racing PCV delete. So we have the one port, and then we also have the two port. All right, so as you can see on both, O-ring has been implemented as well. An O-ring for the overall gasket has been implemented, as well as 3 mini O-rings that will be what plugs the ports. All right. So with that being said, as you can see, I'll actually go about installing one, and I'll also remove it. I just want you to see the fitment, as well as the fact that it does actually cause a good seal, and you won't actually have any damage to the O-rings like with the other ones. So 1 second. So we start off with the version 1. Let me actually switch hands. I'm trying to do this on my phone. All right, so just put it, just line it up with the hole. That's all that's required. And once it's lined up, the lid, just push it down. 1 second. You hear that? It clicks. So with that, with it clicking, it actually is sealing the big O-ring to the actual PCV wall, or the wall where the gasket would go. And then, if you take a look in, not sure if you can see, but you'll see where the last O-ring is, and it's gonna sit right at the very top. So nothing's gonna pass those 3 O-rings, but that's just the safety of it. So what I'll do now is I actually remove it. And this is actually some grease. Let me actually clean that off. Ah, perfect. So what I'll do now is I actually remove it so that you can see that the O-rings won't be damaged, all right? So again, that's how tight it is. Clicks in. Obviously, I'll also be supplying the M3 set screws. It's gonna be one at the north and one at the south and one at the north, which is gonna be at the back of the firewall. You can't see right now, but yep, just screw those in. Orientation is always to make sure that the logo is readable when you're looking at the front of the car. All right, but again, let me remove these. I'll remove this. Okay, it's removed. And as you can see, O-ring is perfectly intact. No damage to anything. And best of all, no damage has been done to the actual clips on the wall. And next thing I also remind you is that my set screws will not cause any damage to the actual PCV housing. All right, thank you.